Shit. See? Todd? See? This why you don't do rolls. This why you don't do rolls coming back.
At least. Yeah, that's what I figured. That's what I was like. That was my testing them bitches.
Yo,
hey, that was my bad. My bad.
You know which one was the light?
Yeah, that was my fault. My camera came on and the freaking flash was on. I was like, damn, I probably fucked that up.
I didn't see what was going on. I was like, well damn.
Here, bro, I'll flash off this time.
Did your light flash before your eyes just now?
Both of them did. They had both lights on. So
no, I'm talking when we came back just now.
Oh, well, when I was braking?
Yeah.
Yeah, that stop sign came up a little too fast.
Hey, speed ain't come up fast enough.
Hey, you're trying to say how that work did. Like,
I didn't do it.
Bro, I'm telling you, do it, you'll get out a lot harder.
So what you saying is like hold it with the brake?
Alright, so like when you pull up, hold the e-brake up, but keep the button held down so you can slam it back down. While you got the e-brake pulled, let the clutch slip a little bit till you feel the car wanting to go forward and hold it right there at the RPM you want. Then when you let the light go, just drop the e-brake and then ease it to the clutch. No, you don't want to dump it out there. You want to ease it to the clutch. Like you want to dump it, but you want to hold it back so you roll you out.
These niggas ain't learned. Nah, they learned. Okay. I was about to say. Slow down, nigga.
So today, guys, I got on my race kicks. This is the last video I recorded for my demise. I'm riding with Server here.
We got the GoPro footage. We gotta go back and forth between.
Set up to catch my facial expressions.
Got them on here, and I got them on here. You know it's cool when they do that in the video, right? You know it's cool when they do that in the video, right? Go back and forth.
Yeah, I know. So, y'all pray for me.
You'll be alright.
If something happened to me, Shay, you guys need to get the stage 3 turbo kit and blow my car up on the first run. I want 100 shot of nitrous on the BMW. 100% meth.
What about Darren?
Fuck Darren.
I'm gonna try something real quick. Let me not kick rocks by
Every time
everyone.
someone says they about to try something, you know
hell no.
Not with me in the car.
So this is the So this is the fake launch control I was telling you about. Ready?
Yeah.
I hate you. We did not go that fucking fast. No. So this is the fake launch control I was telling you about. Ready?
Yeah.
But you see the whole double tap
Why
the
you
gas.
gotta double tap it?
But no, let me actually show you the launch control. That's not the real launch control. The real launch control, it's
Double tap. He did a little wee.
okay. So you gotta hit this button right here, and it turns the DCT activated or the
That thing right
DTC.
there.
So then you put it in the sport.
Like
You
that.
push it up once.
What?
Hit the sport button.
The one that we can't see.
Hold your brake all the way down, and then hit the gas.
That left pedal. And then. Woo!
That's the launch control.
What?
Hit the sport button.
The one that we can't see.
Hold your brake all the way down, and then hit the gas.
That left pedal. And then. Woo!
That's the launch control. That's
both
the
get
car's
kinda
launch
aggressive.
control.
That double tap was kind of mean though.
I know, that's what I'm saying. I can either do the double tap. Oh, I don't think that's cam, but I can either do the double tap or I can do the launch control. But you know, the double tap I move. So that's the problem.
You get XHP, you can, get in your launch control and turn them settings off and just make it burn rubber all the way through. Just burn.
So in case anyone didn't know,
We're going head on into traffic.
I raced the G37. I don't know if the clip fixed itself. I got him from a dig, from the roll. The roll, I'll say this, he got me once, I got him once. The reason I say it's kind of unconclusive is because this road's too fucking short to do a roll.
Yeah.
We did a 20 roll, which is one thing, but doing a 40 roll, by the time you hit like 80, you just gotta start braking. So
All I say, it was a good race either way it went. That's a good race. That's one we need to take it to the track and put y'all on a tree.
no, the thing is, remember I'm still on pump. I told Marcus that, he looked at me like, what?
What's he on? I know he had the laptop and everything up.
Oh no, I told Marcus until also.
Well, until next episode of Dragon Ball Z, where Piccolo gets cake. Hold on.
Ready?
Hold on, wait. Yeah. That man on a mission.
Man, that motherfucker moved. I'm not picking. He said I'm not picking.
So Caesar, how you feel?
Dude, bro, I ain't never felt my nuts go up my ass that much. I was like, dang.
I don't like how you jumped in that picture when he said that, but alright. We're gonna leave that. We're definitely leaving that in there. Alright. Well, yeah, I'm gonna just end this.
Alright, where we going?
It's blowing some air out the exhaust thing.